Welcome to another episode of the Discovering Jesus Adventure Series. This is day number 325, and it's time to take our stuff to Mr. Redbeard and read the Bible. Yep, got to read the Bible.
Yeah, we got all those eggs.
Yep, all in these shulker boxes. We have over 1,536.
Are we going to read the Bible before we go?
How about we go over there, see Mr. Redbeard, maybe he'll want to read it with us. What do you think?
Okay.
All right, that'd be good. All right, so we got to go to our secret lair.
Again.
Push the button. Jump in the hole. Woohoo!
Leave without me. Oh, I made it.
All right.
Whoa, can I ride in your boat?
Yep. You can ride in my boat. Let me place it. Okay. Hop on.
I'm on
gotta
it.
get a little closer. All right, push the button.
Oh, no, we're going the wrong way. Where are you going? I'm going to die. What did you do?
Whoa! Did you jump out?
No.
We did it!
What happened? We went backwards.
I know, but it worked. We're here.
That was weird.
That was great.
Where'd you go?
I'm in front of you now.
Oh.
Mr. Redbeard! Hello? Anybody home? Mr. Redbeard, we got your eggs.
Hello.
Mr. Redbeard,
We got
where
lots
are
of
you?
eggs.
Anybody here? Mr. Redbeard. Anybody
Mr.
here?
Redbeard.
Oh, there he is.
Did you find him?
I found him. He's up here. Okay,
I
here we
don't
go.
know.
All
I'm a
right, so
little
we
scared
got
of Mr.
1
Redbeard.
box, 2 box, 3 box, 4 box, all full of eggs. Yeah. Did we do
Lots
good?
and lots of eggs. I don't know why you need them for chocolate milk, but
Yeah.
there they are.
Well, your idea of some eggnog actually sounds pretty good, so
Oh, yeah.
we'll see what happens here. Okay. Is that all we need to do? Oh, we need to go over there? Well,
going
we
in
thought we
here?
would read the Bible first because, you know, one of your experiments and, we want to read the Bible first. You want to read it with us? Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and read. Okay. This is day 325. Jesus raises Lazarus. Oh, yes. It's awesome. We got to this part of the story. John chapter 11. What was that?
I knew it.
Yep, you did. John chapter 11, verses 38 through 44. Here's our reflect. Why did Jesus raise Lazarus from the dead?
Because he was his friend?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I guess maybe we'll read and find out here. Can you start us off?
Jesus was still angry as he arrived at the tomb, a cave with a stone rolled across its entrance. "Roll the stone aside," Jesus told them. But Martha, the dead man's sister, protested, "Lord, he has been dead for 4 days. The smell will be terrible."
Oh, yeah. That's true.
Jesus responded, "Didn't I tell you that you would see God's glory if you believe?" So they rolled the stone aside. Then Jesus looked up to heaven and said, "Father, thank you for hearing me. You always hear me, but I said it out loud for the sake of all these people standing here, so that they will believe you sent me." Then Jesus shouted, "Lazarus, come out!"
Oh, is he going to come out?
And the dead man came out.
Oh, wow.
His hands and feet bound in grave clothes, his face wrapped in a headcloth. Jesus told them, "Unwrap him and let him go."
Oh, I would have loved to have seen this.
He wasn't a dead man anymore.
Oh, yeah. The dead man came out. The newly live man came out. That's awesome. Oh, it's such a great miracle. All right. So our reflect was, why did Jesus raise Lazarus from the dead? I think it was...
Didn't I tell you that you would see God's glory if you believe?
Yep, right there. Verse number 40. Wow, that's amazing. All right. Well, we have a praise. Jesus, you do wonderful miracles. Yes, he does. If you'd like to praise Jesus with us, let's do it now. Ready, go. Jesus, you do wonderful miracles. Oh, that's so good. That's so good.
Awesome.
That's awesome.
Now we need the miracle of chocolate milk.
Yeah. I'm sorry, Mr. Redbeard, but that was probably better than the miracle of chocolate milk, but we still need it. All right. What do you want us to do?
Do we need to go in there and see?
Okay, yeah. It says observation. We got to stand over here.
Oh, is this so we're safe?
Maybe. Okay.
Where?
And-
Ah!
Oh, it says do not look.
Do not look.
Do not
Oh,
look.
he doesn't want us to see what he's
Okay,
doing.
yeah. Face that way. Face
This
that way.
way?
I'll make sure you don't look.
Who's making sure you don't look?
Oh, nobody. What are you? You're looking. Don't look. What?
What's the bell ringing?
I don't know. Something. Wait, what?
What is that?
Whoa, sparkles. Oh, I feel like I gotta look. I feel like I gotta look.
Don't do
I
it!
gotta
Don't
look.
do it!
Oh, whoa, sorry. Ow, sorry. I'm not looking. He's right there. Not looking. Can I look yet? Is it done? Can I look? Is it done? I'm afraid to look. Oh, okay. Oh,
Oh, he's
It scared
here.
me.
Are you all done,
I guess
Mr.
we're done.
Redbeard?
Okay. All right.
Did you make
Did
chocolate
it
milk?
work? Okay. We got a book.
Is it chocolate milk?
Chocolate milk.
Yay!
Oh, and it has a special effect. It does weaving. Interesting. Okay. All right. And there's a book. It says, warning. For best result, after applying the weaving chocolate milk, wait 1 day for full effect. Oh, that's important. Okay. All right. Well, we can
Thank
go.
you, Mr. Redbeard.
Yeah, thank you so much. Boy, this is going to be great. We can finally make the let me look.
Where's
let
he
me look.
going? He just disappeared.
Let's see here. The tree of trees. We have the saplings. We have the splash potion of chocolate milk. We have the bodacious bony bone mill. I think we have everything we need.
Yes, we could do our chocolate, or no, tree of trees.
Tree of trees. Yes, we can.
Yay!
All right, everybody.
I'm so
Thanks.
excited.
Yeah, thanks for reading the Bible with us today. Oh, what a great miracle we got to read about today. And also, we finally got the chocolate milk. Tomorrow, we're going to do it.
Yes.
Well, we gotta heed Mr. Redbeard's instructions. We'll at least get most of it done. So that'd be good.
Oh, what?
Is he still doing stuff in there?
Is
I don't know.
Experimenting on something else? What is
I don't
this?
know. I don't like this place because
Oh, there he's in there.
here, follow me, Penny.
Where are you
Let me show
going?
you the scariest place on the entire world. You ready to see it? Follow me this way. Follow me.
I don't know about this.
This is the most scariest place. This is where I spent so much
Oh,
time.
what is that?
That's where Mr. Redbeard put
What
a
is
chicken
that
on my
thing?
head. Oh,
It's a big,
this was
big
so
giant creature.
horrible. But we do have Val because of it. All
What
right,
is
everybody.
that creature in there?
That's a sniffer.
He's huge.
Yep. Oh, I'm running. You better run
What's
because
going
you don't
on?
want Mr. Redbeard to put a chicken on your head. Run!
No, that took forever to get off.
Sure did.
But at least it's made us be able to get our eggs for chocolate milk
That's true.
because we have Val.
All right, everybody. Thanks for reading the Bible with us. Be sure to read your Bible every single day. And tomorrow we'll use everything, and we'll see you all tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.